Who is a called one?
A called one is Onyabololo, choosing best among the equals. A called one is the Messiah, either to his family, to his village, to his town, to the nation, or Taboria in general. So a called one is a specially anointed person, gifted person, for primary purpose of serving his or her people. Thank you.
What are the signs of a called one?
A sign of a called one is that if you're a called one, there's so many things you'll be noticing about your life. You will be noticing that you are very unique in so many ways. You notice that you will be a problem solver. That some people who have self challenges, spiritual challenges, and rest of them, and you have solutions to them. You enjoy giver to so many people with so many challenges, and by so doing, you notice that there's this particular thing that is so unique about yourself, and even people perceive it. People are seeing it because of their gift, special gift, and very often you normally use that as a special gift to help people. Thank you.
Do you mentor called ones?
Yes, I mentor called ones and also help them to develop their gifts. Thank you.
Must every called one become a dibia?
Yes, thank you for that question. A called one is a called one. Whether the person is doing it in a religious angle or the person is doing it in a traditional angle, but we are all called ones. Ọtụtụ ifu onye bụ a priest agbara ọrụ ọ bụgoro among the pastors, among the reverend fathers, but this person is especially called. Echefukwana, enwere ndị agbara ọrụ nwee ndị ji aka ha kpọọ onwe ha ntị ọdị. Example, you know about the story of Joseph onye Arimathea. Yes, Joseph onye Arimathea. Yes, so during the time of Jesus, I want to use that story because even if I'm reading Bible, yes, I was once a Bible scholar. I pick the message from there. Even if some people will tell you that Bible is a fabricated story, but what I want to tell you, use whatever you learn from that message. What I can tell you that there was some people that Jesus called on their merit, like Peter and John. Osia, follow me. Let another people follow me. Be my disciple. These are originally called people that will always help him to evangelize the natural called ones. Joseph onye Arimathea was never one of the called ones or even disciple. But there was a time we were told that Jesus is going to Golgotha, carrying the cross. Out of pity, he volunteered to be called. Say, because so some people that are parading themselves now, but originally they are not called. But out of pity and out of they want to help, they presented themselves to be called. These people, I call them auxiliary helpers or auxiliary called because they were permitted to do those work of calling ones because the real called ones are nowhere to be found. So they came in to fill the gap. But today I'm addressing only called ones. So a called one is a called one, whether the person is working in the region. But I can tell you that if you see a real called one, even among the reverend fathers, you know. If you see a real called one among the pastors, you will know. By their fruit you shall know them. But I can tell you without missing words. Some of these known pastors in Nigeria are originally called. They are called ones. However, they decide to walk in their own faith based on their understanding. Maybe they are born a Christian. But I can tell you, it's true that some of them can still go astray. The art of material love for material things. You remember Judas of Iscariot? Yes. Judas was called also. But because of what? Abiriego, he misled himself. So a called one, a called one. Whether Mono or Naronoka, ma ọ na-arụ n'ọdịnala. Ntị ọ dịkwa. Thank you.